Mary and I are at the giant Okinawa Rail observatory. It's pretty huge. Let me see if I can go up on the platform so you can see it better. We got so lost trying to find this place. We went down this really narrow road that was two-way, but it should have been less than one way. So here's the view from up here. It's really pretty. But there's the giant rail. You can go inside there. It was really funny to see it from down on the beach because it looked like a giant prehistoric bird was watching you. You know, I gotta take pictures, of course. Anyway, we just thought this was really cute and kind of kitschy. Yeah, so